Now let's go with another topic. Here again, this is kind of little bit complicated idea, but yes, now after understand, you can just get this um, the scenario in your mind very easily. But what happens, like, this allows to be in a event like scenario, like you have uh, let's say you have Git repository, even to commit a code and push that code into your repository. Then there is a webhook event which allows um, to be uh, to perform the events uh, with your event listener. So this object, listen to the world waiting for something to happen. And there's another trigger template which configures pipeline run when this event occurs. And this trigger binding passes the data to the pipeline run created by trigger templates. We'll come to this point in a minute. But yes, the whole scenario is kind of think of that Git repository I just explained, and with this trigger, you have those execution of your task, the automation of your pipelines, along with your custom resources generation will be performed along with this event listener. So let's go ahead and see how it's been declared. So yeah, I'm not going with this Trojan part, but yes, I will just explain this trigger template. Here, this has been name of this trigger template is mentioned and parameters has been added. So yes, they you can see there's a pipeline run kind object is been defined as like we have already covered. And after creation, we can apply this with trigger binding. We can just add the parameters to be used for trigger template, because it executes trigger template, right? And after that, event listener encompasses both trigger template and trigger binding. In this event listener object, we can see this service account is needed along with triggers, those things which we have encompassed here, both those resources, and this service account is needed for event listener uh, to to run those triggers, and with these are back rules. Uh, but not rules here is defined, but you have to define your cluster rule and cluster rule binding. Um, After applying, you can see that um, their performance on this 8080 port, where you can find this their result is like what is the response we'll get, the event listener, the name of the event listener, and UID, unique ID for this event listener. Once we have, we can check out the pipeline runs logs. We'll get to know like about their what's going on inside their resources. So that's all about this, this TektonCD documentation which I've covered, but we will cover the installation and all in my next video. And if I miss some concepts, I will also try to cover in my next video. Thanks for watching and being with me. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching.